Scott, we was talking about that menudo the other day. It's a lot easier to make nowadays than what it used to be, because that tripe, it comes already pressure washed. So I boil it for about an hour and pour that water off. That gets rid of some of that barnyard flavor and smell. Then you put that in the Instapot and you put it on that 37 minutes. What you end up with is a real nice broth whenever you bring that to a boil on your stove and you add some of that high mountain chili seasoning to it. It's going to taste just like a regular menudo that one of your friends made, because maybe your mama didn't make that. But anyhow, you put a little onion and some jalapeno in there. And the reason that thing is all jellied like that is because that's all collagen. And you know what that's good about? That's good about not having no wrinkles. I'm 66 years old. You ain't see wrinkles all over me and my hands. It's because I eat a lot of menudo. That collagen is good for you. Make your wife eat it too. If you're lucky, she will. It won't be all wrinkled up either. All right, that's all I got to report today. Try it because it's good and it's good for you.